when the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, when he responded to our Chief Minister M.K. Stalin in a recent meeting in Coimbatore, said that Tamil Nadu will not lose any seats in delimitation and pro rata, the number of our seats will be maintained. Even the BJP leaders in Tamil Nadu are not able to explain what pro rata means, and they have said very clearly that only the union government can explain it. Our Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has raised a very important concern about delimitation and on what basis it will be done. It is very important for Tamil Nadu and the southern states to know on what basis the delimitation will be done. Because if it is going to be based on population, then Tamil Nadu stands to lose at least 10 seats. And so does many other southern states and other states of India which have controlled its population effectively. Whereas states which have not bothered to control the population and whose population has increased will stand to gain more seats. Our Chief Minister wants to know on what basis, because till now delimitation has been carried out on the basis of population. But population census has been frozen from 71, and a decision has been taken that we cannot do it on population because many of the other states have not controlled population effectively, and it will be unfair to the states which have controlled its population. So we want clarity. The union government, the home minister, the prime minister have to clearly tell us on what basis delimitation will be done, and they have to ensure that justice is done to our states, and we should not be losing our representation in parliament. And just because BJP wants to play politics and for its own gains, it should not reduce the number of representatives from south of India or any state which has controlled its population effectively. And this is the concern of our Chief Minister and many leaders from Tamil Nadu and other states. The union government, the home minister, the prime minister have to clarify what they mean by delimitation, what they mean by pro rata.